Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad mythical in your garden. To achieve truly extraordinary salads, begin by choosing a wide array of heirloom and specialty greens, moving beyond common varieties. Focus on building exceptionally fertile soil, as this is the bedrock of intense flavor and robust plant health. We'll also cover strategic planting methods to ensure a steady supply of fresh greens throughout the growing season. Finally, learn the art of harvesting to preserve the delicate textures and vibrant tastes that elevate your garden salads to a mythical status. For a truly mythical salad, the journey begins beneath the surface, with your soil. Start by enriching your garden beds with a generous layer of at least 4 inches of high-quality, aged compost. This provides essential organic matter and a slow release of nutrients. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0, which is ideal for most salad greens. Supplement with organic fertilizers, particularly those high in nitrogen, to promote lush, leafy growth. Consistent moisture is also key. Dry soil leads to bitter, tough leaves. To elevate your salad from ordinary to mythical, embrace diversity. Don't limit yourself to just one type of lettuce. Instead, cultivate a vibrant tapestry of greens. Think about incorporating spicy arugula, crisp romaine, tender butterhead, and even a touch of bitter radicchio for complex flavor profiles. To ensure a continuous supply, practice succession planting by sowing small batches of seeds every 2 to 3 weeks. This prevents a glut of greens all at once and guarantees fresh harvests throughout the season, making every salad a unique experience. The final step to a mythical salad is mastering the harvest. Always aim to gather your greens in the early morning, after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day sets in. This is when their flavor and crispness are at their peak. Use sharp scissors to snip the outer leaves, leaving the inner ones to continue growing, ensuring multiple harvests from a single plant. Wash and gently dry your leaves immediately after harvesting. Store them loosely in a breathable container in the refrigerator, where they can maintain their freshness for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.